Good morning, y'all. It's CeeCeeG. Now I'm doing a morning shoot, but I wanted to taste this particular melon. It's called a Canary melon, and I've never heard of that. We picked it up from a farmer's market in our area, and I thought it was a squash at first. It looks like it, but it's not. So I'm gonna cut it and open it up, and then I'm going to try it and see if I like it. It feels like a squash to me. They said, the lady said it's like in between, tastes like in between like a cantaloupe and a honeydew. Where's your finger, baby? Gotta turn it. I don't even know where.
You in frame. You just watch it for me.
Alright. I'm gonna save these seeds. So I'm gonna clean out the seeds on this side. I'm gonna keep these seeds. I'm gonna grow some. Okay. And I'll show you what the melon looks like once I clean it out. I'm just gonna put my spoon in and go for it. I hope it tastes good. I hope it tastes good, because you know I'm gonna tell you. It smells good. And it comes with a lot of seeds. Okay. So, this is what it looks like. Oh, wait a minute. Inside. It kind of has like an orangey, greenish tint on the inside. Excuse me, grab a paper towel. So let me see how it tastes.
Is it good? Uh-oh.
Yes.
Hold on. I'm coming.
It's good.
Let me try.
I mean, you about to tear this thing out.
I'm gonna try.
I want some more.
Oh my God.
Benji,
You need to go.
I want some more.
Ooh wee.
Here, Benji. Take this off of there.
Come in the camera, huh, Benjamin?
Now you gotta take it off.
Take it off.
Come in the camera, baby. Oh my God. Good. Sweet. Oh my God. It's a winner. It's a winner.
Yeah, I like this. I'm gonna eat this for breakfast, y'all. So, a Canary melon is very delicious, juicy, and sweet. So, y'all, I'm gonna continue to keep eating this because I do like it. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep these seeds because I mean it's plenty of seeds, but I'm gonna have to clean on all that fleshy stuff off of there and then dry them out, which I know how to do. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Put a thumbs up on this channel. I thank you all for watching, and everyone have a great and blessed day. Peace.